floats downstream till the current ends, and dips her wing in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through her bars of rage. Her wings are clipped and her feet are tied, so she opens her throat to sing. Unknown but longed for still, and her tune is heard on the distant hill, for the cage bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worms waiting on the dawn bright lawn, and she names the sky her own. The cage bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and her tune is heard on the distant hill, for the cage bird sings of freedom.